everybody, I want to show you my new project I've been working on. I'm going to upgrade my chicken coop, and so I built this. So it's got a mono pitch roof. I'll actually make another video if you want to know some dimensions and stuff, but this is kind of like just a tour of it. But I'm really happy with how it turned out, and I just want to give you a little tour of my little chicken coop I built. And I made this also to where I noticed a lot of people's chicken coops. I looked on YouTube, and they made them where they're kind of like they just got posts on the ground. They was not made to move. And this one's not like a chicken tractor or nothing, but say we need to bug out or move for some reason, I can take my chickens with me, and I'll show you what I did. I put it on skids. Really happy with what I did there. So anyway, let's just take a tour real quick. Okay, there's the mono pitch roof. All right, really happy with that. And at the bottom, I put that tack wire all the way around it, except the end where my chicken door is going to be. All right, and there's my chicken door. The windows that you buy and stuff, they're very expensive right now, and really when you raise them up, they just don't do the job for a chicken coop. I mean, they're great for a house, but so people, you're spending all that money for something that really don't work well for a chicken coop. So I built my own, and I was able to buy this it's like plastic that would you use on the roof or a patio or something, for you get sheets of like 10-foot sheets, and it was like $37 or $27, I can't remember exactly, but for one sheet of it. But it was able to do both my windows. I just basically made my windows out of 2x4s, and they actually turn real good. We put hard tack wire over them. I've ordered some magnets. It's got holes in them, so I'm gonna put magnets inside the window, so it's gonna suck it up through the window. I've ordered them. I hadn't got them yet, and I just made a little chicken ladder out of scraps, basically, and you see I made the chicken. The bottom of it, I put it on skids. And actually my daughter, she helped me. She actually did all the cutting on the frame and the base. She cut every bit of it, and she did a great job, by the way. And I want to give her credit, man. I was just proud of her. But anyway, so let's look in it. Oh, and on the bottom, if you can see there, on the bottom, I put eye hooks. And I actually got them where I could put them on both sides and pull the chicken coop. I built this thing in my garage, and I pulled it outside. So anyway, see where I drilled the holes for the eye hooks. And here is the little chicken boxes, little egg laying boxes. And all right, worked out really good. I'm actually going to put a rope on this with a pulley to some weights, and I'm going to make it where it's got a little assist when you lift it up. It's not that heavy, but it is for the girls. So all right, here's my door. All right, and there's the coop door. That is going to be temporary, and as you can see, I got a little rope, and you can pull that up, and you just put it on there. All right, really simple. I really like that. I put this little cross arm here, and the feeder is going on this side, and the water is going on this side. I also made it to clean this out. I can remove this panel right here. All I do is pull it out. This is my little chicken ladder for the. I've got to find something. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to mount this. I might just zip tie it. But anyway, I can just slide this bottom piece out. I'm gonna put some handles on this. I can slide this out and clean my coop out, and make it really simple. So, these are my chicken runs where they can they roost, and they can roost up there. I've been looking at some. I'm not gonna have I might have 6 chickens in here. We'll see, but so anyway, 6 or 7 chickens, and that'll be plenty for this is. And if I have to, I'll put another one of these down here. But I'm not going to unless I have to. I like to keep this side open to keep away from my nesting boxes. So, and then this window is the same way. I'm gonna have magnets, so I can I have magnets where keep that shut. And actually, when you're in there, there's no drafts or anything. I've done closed up. It's been actually really windy the last few days. It's actually been, here's the door, this one. I've got the magnets, like I say, it's gonna magnet shut. I've been in there. It really just you don't want it actually airtight. You want to breathe, and but it's not drafty or anything. So, but anyway, I'm just really tickled with it, and so that's my chicken coop. And if you want, I will take and make another video with some measurements or something. Maybe somebody can build their own. If you're handy at all with building, it's not that it's really not that difficult. It did take me, it took me a long time on my side to build this, but anyway, I've enjoyed building it. It's been been really super fun. I really like it. So anyway, I need to underneath, the chickens can get under there and give them some more space. I don't know what kind of chicken run I'm going to do with it yet. I really don't know, but anyway, really like it, and I think it turned out wonderful. So tell you what, we've already got a big chicken coop, and you've seen some of my other videos, and then it's been great, but like you have to go in there and get dirty, and what I'm saying, and you gotta go in there when it's it's just hard to clean out all the time. And I just wanted something to make really simple, and plus we really enjoy watching our chickens. I mean, we enjoy when we're sitting on the back porch or whatever, and watching our chickens, peck around the yard or whatever. And so this is gonna really work out for us. I'm really happy about it. But like I say, you can do the same. It's not that hard. I've looked on several videos, and you can take this video here and build your own, and I'll try to, if everybody wants it, I'll try to make another video and show you some measurements of it. And also, I think it's for all the preppers, it's good to have a chicken coop that can be moved quickly. The chicken run, I'll probably make, I don't know, I might get one of them, there's some I've seen that are like portable, you can take them apart, and then but we'll just see what happens. And then you know, of course, we're probably gonna let them free range a little bit in the backyard, and but still we want a chicken run. And so later on I'll do some upgrades on it. Also, that door that you seen I made, the chicken door, the trap door, that's a temporary one. I'll eventually have one that's automatic, that, you know, it comes on at when it gets dark, with a timer, and then I'll do an update video on it. And I'm also gonna have it where it's ran off a solar panel. So anyway, and probably, I don't know, we'll see what happens. I might do put like a wise cam in there. I seen another guy on YouTube had one of them. It's a pretty good video. He's got chicken coop really similar to this one, and but I just did some changes to how it, you know, things that I wanted to do and things that worked for me. Some people had the inside of the coop with the their nesting bars was all the way across. I really didn't like that because I know how the chickens are. They'd be pooping in the boxes and stuff, and I wanted their chicken, I wanted the chicken eggland boxes completely on the opposite side if there's any way, and I made it work. Let me show you what I did on that. You didn't see a while ago, but I put that little bar across the front of it, and hang on, I'll show you better. But anyway, I made this little piece come down, this come across. If this becomes a problem with them sitting here, I'll actually put a little cross piece of wood here or something to keep them out of my boxes. I just don't want them in my nesting boxes. I actually have room for one more of these. I could actually, you know, put a piece of wood across the front of it and put another nest and roost bar if I need it. And I did insulate the ceiling. I had some scrap from a project I did in 2011. One thing I did right here is I made it where there's, if you see, get down there and see, there's a space in between here and this front. And the reason I did that is for cleaning it. So when I want to clean out the nesting boxes, I can just take out all the hay, straw, whatever I got in there, and I can sweep it out to here, and it's, you know, easy to clean. Also, the reason I did these little, if you see these holes in between, I did that because of the airflow, breathing. The biggest thing, you know, with with chickens in the summer, it gets really hot, and you want some airflow. And when I can, when I open these windows, I'm actually gonna have a eye hook here, and it's gonna go to a pulley where I can pull this up, and it's just sit right there. And I'll do the same thing as I did with this. You know, but the only thing, it's gonna raise the window. So see. And I'll do the same thing with the windows, where I can raise them up with an eye hook. And I'll give an update when I do that, if you want me to do an update video. And I'll do the same thing to here, because this one will be actually inside of my chicken run when I make a little chicken run out here. Won't be very big because I do free range my chickens a little bit, and I will be, so the chicken run probably won't be very big, but you know, because when you're not home or whatever, you want them out. that's it. I'll see you on the next video. God bless you. River Jumper out.